Welcome to my channel Sara Art and Design. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the further videos notification. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sara Art and Design. Today's my video's topic is how we can cut the princess cut and how we can make the pattern for that and cut on our fabric also. So for that I have already marked my normal body pattern. So this is my shoulder slope, our breast size, waistline and our hip size over here, and I have already marked all these points. For the basic body pattern you can go in the description box. I have already shared the link over there. So my next step is from the folded side, which is our double folded sides, where we have to mark the 3.5 inch mark. And now we have to join these marks and make a straight line. After making a straight line, our next step is for the front side shoulder. We have to mark the 4 inch over here. You can mark according to your shoulder width. So I am marking 4 inch over here and join these points. After joining these points from the joint point where they are matched, we have to take 2 inch downwards and 1.5 inch on the upwards. Here is our 2 inch and here is our 1.5 inch, and we have to mark over here for the dart purpose is only 0.2. We have to mark these points and join these points to our 1.5 inch mark in little bit curvish direction. Here the joins of dart would be in a little bit curved direction. Now we have to take 0.2 or 3 over here and join these points and make a curve line. I'm just going to tag little bit this line to show you that these are our major part. From the upperward we have to mark 10.5 inch over here, and from the 10.5 inch we will take 6 inch long dart over here and mark the midpoint also. And now we will take half inch on both sides. And now we have to join these marks and make a dart. So our marking is already complete now. So I'm just going to clear you that this width is 3 inch from the midpoint, 3 inch upward and 3 inch downward. You can extend it according to your choice, and we have to join these points also and extend this point till the end of your kurti. Till the length of your kurti you have to extend it. And now I'm just going to give you a brief little bit what we have did over here. So these are darker points which we have to cut. Before cutting, I'm telling you once that what I did. First of all, this is our shoulder point, shoulder slope, and this is our neck width, and these are our shoulder rounds. Firstly, we have to mark the 4-inch from the top to our front shoulder slope. Here first point is 4-inch, and now we have to join this point to this 3.5's mark in a slant line. So here our width is 3.5, and from this midpoint we have to mark 1.5 inch on 5 inch on upperwards and 2 inch to the downwards, and create a dart over here. So now we are going to extend this line. Because this is paper, so we extend it till that. On a fabric you will have to extend it till your kurti length. Now just cut it out. Before cut this, I'm going to cut our basic outer part. So this is our backside shoulder. One thing you have to be careful that you are not cut your front part of your shoulder, because we will cut it out, we will give the shape after the joining these parts. In a pattern, we always cut on a marked line, we never give the margin, but in mine case I also add the margins over here because it's very difficult to handle my clothes without the margin. So just cut it out first and then mark on a dart. We have to cut from the dark one side, and now cutting on a dark line. So this is our cutting. Now we have to cut our another portion. And cut this shoulder dot also. So our cutting is completed over here. It would be look like this. So after cutting, it's their look, and it would be look like this. And here is our marking. When we join these points in stitching, it looks super beautiful. You can join with piping or extra cloth, whatever you want over here. You can join with lace also. So you have to be careful that when you are marked on a fabric, you will give extra inch, you will add here 1/4 inch margin, so that it would be very easy in sewing. So we have to place this pattern on our fabric like this. From the midpoint I have already marked 1/2 inch extra. In the middle point, here my margin is 1 inch. In between gap is 1 inch, and on a both side it would be half inch after cutting. So here is a look of a pattern. I have already marked these things, these pattern on my shirt, and this is a kurti's length. So we will cut out this on same line. On the center line I will cut it out. So guys, this is the final look of my pattern. If you like it, then please give me a big thumbs up. If you have any queries, any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section. So guys, don't forget to like my videos. If you have any queries, then you can share your queries with me. Thank you so much for watching my videos.